Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's tap on About Phone. Here we have to localize MIUI version, and all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now we can go back to the general settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find the developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the power monitor, display cutout, and we can show service updates, the floating clock. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and overall to the networking, because as you can see, we've got the USB also, the Wi-Fi, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of options, and if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, for example like here in this Bluetooth option, Bluetooth audio, whatever, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. And if you're done with customization of developer options, if you'd like to turn them off, just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher. I don't want to restart my device. Alright, so as you can see, if you want to turn off the developer options, you will have to restart it. I don't want to do that, but be aware that after restarting your device and getting back to the general settings, additional settings, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So, not build number, but MIUI version. So actually, this is how to enable developer options in your Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.